Hey guys, it's me, Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to do something very simple. We're going to make a 2-ingredient green tea mask. And the reason why I even started doing this is because last year I broke out tremendously on my cheeks, and usually my only problem area is my chin due to hormonal acne. But boy, like, I'm just gonna place the pictures right here. It went crazy and I didn't know what to do. Didn't matter how much water I was drinking, didn't matter how healthy I was eating. It just seemed like nothing would work. But this mask, if anything, it would just make my face feel bright and tight, and it would just be a good skin day, whether my acne was flaring up or not. So I still use it to this day. Now my skin is clearing up, thank God. But guys, I understand the battle. I understand. So yeah, so let me tell you about these benefits of a green tea mask. Let me tell y'all. So guys, green tea actually contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG. And this antioxidant actually fights the DNA damage caused by UV rays, which helps prevent skin cancer. So green tea is actually an antibacterial that actually helps reduce acne and unclog pores. And so it's really getting all that gunk out. It really soothes the skin. And lastly, green tea contains vitamin E and vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 actually helps maintain the collagen in your skin, meaning that it keeps your skin nice and firm and plump and youthful. So now that y'all know the benefits, now that y'all know what y'all are putting on your skin, let's get to the demo. See, it wasn't that easy. Give this video a thumbs up for the simplicity of it all, y'all. We like to keep it minimal and easy and 2 ingredients and inexpensive and all of that. All right, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more holistic living content. I love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.